Hey guys, you're probably just watching this video because you think I'm awesome and want to keep hearing me talk because you know very well how to use Google Classroom. But we'll go over the basics for my class. Okay, for Google Classroom, in order to get to Google Classroom, you will click your waffle up here. Then you will click Classroom and it will open up a new link. Everyone has to join the distant learning 7th grade English class. So make sure you join it. This is the code. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to or write it down. We are going to use this Google Classroom if Schoology fails us. For right now though, my entire class is going to be on Schoology. Okay, so pay attention to that site. If I post anything on Google Classroom, I will let you know, but it is as a precautionary measure to have backup stuff. As you can see, on the main page, you see any updates. So I said, this class will allow me to see and teach all of you in one place if Schoology fails. If you click on classwork, you can see that there are two different topics, a narrative life of Frederick Douglass and a raisin in the sun. There is nothing in them right now. Okay, that is because everything is on Schoology. I will update this just, I guess, for giggles, to make sure it's all multiple places that we can access, but you won't need to, guys, okay? I just wanted to show you that you go to it by clicking on the dots, clicking Google Classroom. You need to sign in to this class for 7th grade English just as precautionary measures. Okay, easy video. Thanks for watching.